What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm feeling so much better today. I've been feeling really miserable for the past let's just say a week now, and actually today is a pretty good day. It's my sister's 4th birthday. She's a little one, so I'm actually getting ready because I'm gonna go over my parents' house and go see them for a little bit. You know, have a little present for her and whatnot. It's just gonna be me, my parents, and my sister and my husband. So they've been staying at home, and so we don't get anyone sick or get ourselves sick or anything like that. Excuse my hair, my bangs are a little greasy. I'm I needed to touch up my hair, but since everything is literally closed down right now, I can't even fucking go to Sally's. And I can't afford to buy a hair dye at the moment because bitch is broke. But I'm gonna quickly clip up my hair. I have these two little clip thingies, and I'm just gonna put my bangs up. I'm gonna wear these because I don't have any other headband thing. Alright, it's good enough, guys. I look hilarious. No, I can't. Alright. So the first thing we're gonna use today is this Reboost Hydrating Cream from my Clarins. I love this stuff. I actually got it from my influencer box, and I've been testing it out for a while, and I'm literally out, but this stuff is amazing. It honestly cleared out my skin, the face wash that I have and the exfoliating scrub. Oh, so good. And this stuff under makeup, it's just my face still feels really hydrated, but it also doesn't look greasy. Which, my skin tends to get a little oily, but it's also dry, so I'm just gonna use a little bit more of this cream on my face. Use that on my face. And then, always, I'm gonna go in with the Pure Leads Blue Lotus eye serum. You guys already know I use this in every single video of mine ever since I started using it. It's the best eye cream ever. And I need to get rid of these eye bags because they ain't cute. We look cute. Anyway, I need to chill. For this foundation, what are we gonna use today? I'm sorry, all my makeup is in this big old bag because I haven't been feeling motivated enough to actually go through everything and actually organize my makeup. So just in literally just bags like this of makeup. So I'm gonna shake up. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This stuff is my favorite. The shade is a little too dark, but honestly, I'm gonna fucking make it work. I do not care. Well, I have a really light concealer and powder, so that's gonna make it look a little bit better. And then I'm gonna take my Cosmetics sponge and just kind of buff this into my skin. This foundation has a really nice coverage. It's not too cakey, and it lasts pretty long on my skin as well. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit to kind of just blend it, since this foundation is a little darker than my natural skin tone. So we're just gonna make myself look a little bit tan, because why not? We've been in quarantine for the past week now. It's actually been exactly a week today. So how's everyone doing so far? Me personally, not the greatest. And also, I'm really tired of seeing all these posts on the internet telling all the young people to stay home, blah 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 blah. But yet, every time I go to the grocery store to pick up a necessity that I really need, freaking all I see is 80% of elderly citizens with no masks, no gloves, being fucking rude as shit to all the other fucking people, all the employees at the pharmacies. These fucking old ladies, fucking, why are you so mean? We're all going through this. You already fucking know you're at a high chance of getting sick. Stay your fucking ass home, please. It's not that hard. You know what I mean? Like, shit's annoying. But then yet, like, everyone's talking shit about, you know, millennials and, like, Gen Z. That's stupid. We all just need to stay home. The faster we can stay home, we can get this thing over with and go back to normal. But I think people are not comprehending that, which is really annoying. But whatever. Back to doing makeup. The rant is over. But yeah, this foundation is really good though. Like, especially if you like put it on with the brush. I gotta shave my mustache. But honestly, I haven't been really taking care of my skin because I've been at home, not feeling to do anything. So, alright, so that's all for the foundation. I'm gonna go in with the concealer. What concealer should we go in? This is like shopping my little makeup stash right now because I have like so many different like powders and different makeup products that I haven't been really using. So let's just look through this thing. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop concealer to like brighten my face. As you guys see, this is like pale as shit, but I really want that because this foundation is a little too dark. So I'm trying to brighten my face a little bit, if you guys can't tell. And I'm gonna start blending this. Oh, this concealer is so nice. I haven't used it in a month or so. This used to be like my everyday concealer, and then like I started self-tanning, so I got a little dark, so I couldn't use it because the foundation actually matched me. But right now, since I am pale as shit and then this foundation is a little too dark, this can actually work. Also, who else is playing Animal Crossing right now? I really want to get the Switch for the Animal Crossing, but I don't know. We cannot find it anywhere. And then some places are like a little too expensive, so I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated if we get it or not. I mean, keep an eye on my Instagram. I try to post there like daily, even when I'm feeling a little down. I mean, honestly, I've been staying off social media lately because it's been just triggering my anxiety. But yeah, I feel like today and tomorrow it's gonna be a better day. I just gotta stay a little bit more positive, if you know what I mean. And then I'm gonna conceal my forehead, you know what I mean. What do you guys think? It looks a little bit better. And then for the powder, I think I'm just gonna go on with the Maybelline Loose Translucent Powder today. I usually go for my Morphe one, but I don't want to bore you guys and use the same products inside every single video. So we're gonna go in with this. I'm gonna set my under eyes. You can just use the tiniest amount. I realized that like using too much powder just makes my face look even more cakey. Even though I thought like, oh, I have oily skin, I gotta use a lot of powder, which is not true. It will just make me more cakey and gross, and it's just not, it just doesn't look good. For those of you with like combination skin, you guys know what I mean. It's like, one day my skin is oily, one day it's dry, one day it's like both, and it's like, which one? Alright, so that's all for the face powder, I guess. And then for the bronzer, what are we going to use for the bronzer? I think I'm going to use the Morphe bronzer in Enemy. I'm going to use like the tiniest amount because this is a pretty like deep bronzer. So I don't want to use too much. I'm just going to take this and just kind of bronze up my face. It's a little too dark, but it's okay. I want to feel a little bit bronzy today, hence the little darker foundation. And I'm gonna try to like bronze up my forehead because like my forehead's pretty big, so I like to make it look a little bit smaller than it is. So that's for that. And then for the blush, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette, and I'm gonna take my I'm gonna take this brush right here, and I think I'm gonna go into this pinky shade right here. I'm gonna put some on my cheekbones. some on the bridge of my nose. Like give it that like sun-kissed glow. Well, my chin looks cute, right? I think so. And then for the highlighter, what you going? I really kind of want to go into my Ofra highlight, not gonna lie. Alright, fuck it. I'm gonna go in with the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlight. This is like my favorite highlighter ever. I need to get more. Bitch. This is glowy. Can you guys see this? Holy heaven. Alright, so that's all for the highlight. I'm gonna quickly contour my nose, put some eyebrows on, and I'll be right back with you guys. Let's do this. Lol. Welcome to the Disney Channel. Alright guys, so I'm back. I did my nose, my brows, and then I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Obsession Belle Jordan eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. I actually got a Target for like, I think less than $15. And I'm gonna go into this pink shade called So Cute. I'm just gonna apply this color over here, I guess. Did I just get inspired by my bunny ears? I think so. Alright, so I think that's all for the pink. And then I think I'm going to take a little bit of that like orangey color called Sagittarius. And I'm just going to like put that over the pink to kind of just like blend everything a little bit nicely. And then I'm going to go into this shade called Miami. It's like this purple color. I'm going to take that color and I'm just going to put this, I'm going to do like a half cut crease. Oh, that's such a pretty color. I'm just going to try to just like blend these two colors in. Ooh, this is so pretty. Ooh, that's really cute. And I'm gonna go with that shade, the pink shade called So Cute again. I'm gonna do my lower lash line. Kind of blend those two colors in. And then I kind of want to go into a color called Lola. It's like a dark color. And I'm just gonna try to deepen this color in. And I'm gonna do a liner real quick. Alright, so that's all for the liner. I'm gonna quickly finish the other eye of the camera and put some lashes on. Also, the mascara that I'm gonna use, it's most likely going to be I'm gonna go in with the mascara from Tarte, the Montier mascara. Alright, so that's for the mascara. And then I'm gonna go back in with that Ofra highlight that I had, and then I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of my eye. Pack that shade on. A little bit more on my brow bone, and I'm gonna quickly finish the other eye of the camera, put some lashes on, and we'll finish the rest of our face. Alright guys, so I'm back with the finished look. For the lips, I used the MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy, ColourPop lip liner and BFF, and then these lashes are from Amazon. I think they're like called Jimmery lashes. It was like a set of 8, I believe, for like a couple dollars. And then I used the ColourPop brow gel for like the fake freckles or whatever the fuck they're called. You guys know what I mean. But anyway, you know, just kind of tried to do my hair. It looks like shit. I don't feel like washing it, so this is what we're working with. But yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, obviously. And yeah, check out my Instagram, and you guys know the drill. And that's all for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.